Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. I have a sound English book. It's vocabulary book. Now open page number 4. It's page number 4. We have already done G, G. G, G, girl. G, G, goat. G, G, gate. G, G, gun. Now we start H, and what is the sound of H? It's put your hand in the front of your mouth and just like this. It's a sound of H. H, H. H, house, house. Repeat after me. Hand, hen, hat, hat, hair, hair, hole, hole. Can you see here? It's a hole in the bucket. Find the letters in these words. Find the letters in these words. You find out the letter H sound, H, hut. Where is the H? In the starting sound of it. Hand, hear it. Hole, hat, and hen. You just circle her sound here. I hope it's beneficial for you. Allah